Hey folks, Adam here, Elite demonstration looking at the Laresar L6 Pro Robot Vacuum with a 14.4 volt lithium ion battery. This has some of the best technology of any robot vacuum platform on the planet. Self-docking, empties out the dust bin, it's mopping, it uses SLAM Lidar technology, which is simultaneously locating and mapping for light radar, basically. It's absolutely incredible. And this is a next level 3000 PA of suction robot vacuum. Now I'm gonna give you all the up close and personal, but this is absolutely incredible. It does a great job, really lifts the dirt, and they give you plenty of extra dust bins. It won't fall off edges. They give you extra brushes. They give you everything you need to change your vacuuming life. The app is simple and intuitive, easy to install. It's available on your Echo Store and on your Google Store and on your Apple Store and your Google Store. And it ties in with your Google Assistant and your Echo device to where you can tell it to set a schedule. You can tell it to robot vacuum when you're not home and take the vacuuming out of your life. If you have a pet like me, you're absolutely going to love the technology that allows you to stop worrying about pet hair. I also want to point out the mapping features that you'll see in the split screen here. In this scene, I had it do my laundry room. It splits it into sections and it'll split your entire house into different areas. That way you can just press a button and you can clean up that zone. So if there's a mess in one area, you press it and it'll go to that part of the house. That's really smart technology. When it's first mapping out, the house is gray, it's figuring out different areas and zones, and then it'll turn colors, you can click it and it'll clean quickly and efficiently. So that's pretty cool too. All right, Laresar is an incredible program, an incredible company that's been around for years. They're a premium brand that cares about their brand, and they make some of the best handheld stick and robot vacuums on the planet. If you're looking for a great robot vacuum cleaner, pro level, and the L6 is for you. It's rated at 950 watts, and I'm a big fan. So stick around for the up close portion of the video. You're absolutely going to love this incredible robot vacuum. All right, folks, now it's time for the up close portion of the video. This is the Laresar. It's a robot vacuum with self-emptying clean base, seen to the right top. This is the model L6 Pro. It does work with your Google Assistant or your Echo device, and of course it has app control, which we've used. I love that this thing is using the latest in Lidar, that's light and ranging technology. It's the same stuff that the newest cars on the planet use. If you're using a Tesla, guess what? It is also directing itself with Lidar. Now, the type of Lidar, you're using SLAM technology, that's simultaneous location and mapping. So it's constantly mapping the room and it knows its location and figure out where it's going at all times. This is a high precision laser navigation system. It has 24 sensors. It's self-emptying in the dustbin. And of course, it is 3000 PA of suction, which makes it no lightweight. Now, when you turn it over, you're going to see there's this big brushing area that is sucking in all the dirt. You've got your bin for dust right here.
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been removed.
This is dust bin and water tank. That's just going to fill right there.
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been installed.
It has easy to understand English instructions verbally. The app is available in your Google or Apple store. The rubberized reinforced wheels with spring mechanisms are quiet on the floor, so that's incredible. App download right there. And this does come with a big brush that's going to get the debris. You got an M&M on the floor, you've got a safety pin on the floor. It's going to push it into the dustbin. On top of that, it does come with a replacement set of brushes here, replacement dirt bags for your canister, as well as a replacement filter for the dustbin. All right, easy to set up. You just turn it on. It will be blinking the first time, and you just connect it through your app. It auto recognizes, ties into your Wi-Fi, and I set mine up in a matter of minutes. On top of all of that, let me get this to where you see the whole device. You can see it does have the quick start guide, and the quick start guide is written in easy to understand English with diagrams and things of the sort, and it shows you how to use the app, which is pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna back up so you can see this is the dustbin itself, self-emptying, and then you can just empty it out every once in a while by taking this out of here, and it does have a nice brush for cleaning any debris. Okay, just that easy. And a canister inside as well. Easy peasy, excuse me, kind of a filter right there. But to replace out the dirt bin, very easy. This slides right in. All right, put that back down. Self-charging, a great powerful lithium-ion battery that is built to last. And yeah, one of the best things about this, not just the side brush, but it's designed to not fall off edges. If you've got steps and levels, you don't have to worry about it with this. It's also smartly designed to do all the mopping, and it comes with a variety of replacement mop heads and things to where you never have to worry about that, right? All right, so if you're looking for a great product, let me show you that just slips on right there. Then you've got the mop head. And now it's in mopping mode. It knows that it clicked in. This is the L6 Pro Robot. Let me go ahead and show you both at the same time. L6 Pro Robot, 2-in-1 water tank, spindle brush, mop cloth, 10 disposable mop cloths come with it, user manual, service card, side brush, HEPA filter, dust collecting bin, the mop, 5 dust bags, and a quick start guide, all included in this, and it's absolutely fantastic. Now the battery power on these is next level, okay? You can control it with the app. You can tell it to go dock, you can change the power.
Cleanup is resumed.
And just so you can hear it, folks, it is pretty quiet for a mopping robot vacuum. And like I said before, this little guy is smart enough to determine edges and not fall off those edges. And you can use the app to set a schedule and have it vacuum when it's most convenient for you. So folks, if you're looking for a fantastic robot vacuum, this is the bee's knees, it's the cat's meow, it's the cat's pajamas. This thing mops. You don't have to empty it out every time. It's smart, it's intuitive, it's laser mapping using SLAM Lidar, and it is smart enough to avoid things like cords, kids, and whatever may be around your house. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. If you're looking for a next level robot vacuum, this is the one for you. Go ahead and get that SLAM technology. The competitors don't have that. Thanks for watching, and say it with me. Adios, amigos.